Sai, do you want to ask something? Who is Sai? I think Sai is unable to hear us. I like to do this. Sai, am I audible? Sai, am I audible? Where is Praveen? Guys, put your names. We'll go with average ifs. You have this data. Just write the formula. Instead of sum if, you just have to do average if. Yes. Just try. Formula name is average if equal to average if tab range and criteria and average range. Average who will, for what I will take, which column I will take average? Amount, right? Average will be applicable on amount. So this average range, you are clear. Criteria will be this online, cash, debit. Range will be this. From this, I will check my criteria, right? So all these things are clear. So putting first thing is range. It will be fixed, comma, criteria. This online should move row wise. So what should be fixed? Column should be fixed. Then range, average range is this, which also should be fixed. Round bracket close, enter, double click, it will be fixed. Do it for debit, credit. Done or not, guys? Hmm? Unable to do? Done, everyone? This one, debit, credit. Do it fast. Equal to average if range. This is my range, debit, credit. Criteria should be moving row wise. Average range should be fixed. $7,180 total. Okay. Average rate. Getting? Go for next average ifs. Guys, you have done these formulas already using sum if, count ifs. Yes? Just we are doing the operation. Use. You have this data, everybody. You have this table. Just you have to type the formula. Type equal to. Now here multiple conditions are there, right? In that previous sheet, only one condition was there. There are multiple conditions. Online debit, both are there. Then give the average. Okay. So average ifs IFS. Average range is this. Fixed, comma. Criteria range. First I am checking online or not. Criteria range will be fixed. Criteria 1 online, which will be moving row wise. So I'll make e fix that is column fix. Criteria average range. So in the place of criteria range only, I have not given comma after making fix. Making it fix, comma. Now criteria, making it e fix. Okay, this is my first criteria. Criteria range 2, which is this, should be fixed, comma. Criteria 2, that is debit, which is moving column wise, right? So column should not be fixed. What should be fixed? Row should be fixed. Very good. Round bracket close, enter. Now when I am dragging this and dropping, here I am getting division error. Now debit, credit, there is no combination, right? So there is zero value. 0 divided by 0. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined. That's why error is coming. So I will do one change here. This is my formula, total formula. This whole formula I am putting in if error. If error, at last here I will give comma, give 0. If this is value, if this value is giving something output, give that value. And if it is giving some error, so instead of that error, give me 0. Getting it? If it is giving some number, put that number. But if it is giving some error, like 0 divided by 0, yes, average, what is the formula for average? Sum of the numbers divided by count of number. Yes. So debit, credit, there is no combination. So 0 count is there. Count is 0. So sum is 0 divided by count is also 0. So 0 by 0, some error is coming. That is 0 division error. So if error, return what? 0. Understood? Otherwise, if it is giving some number, so give that. So enter. So all these are giving me number. The one who was not giving, 0. Getting it, everybody? First type this without that 0 error, if error, type this much. And at last, just add this if error into that. So that you will not be in any confusion. How many of you are done? In January. Is it done? Do it fast. Done. All of you are done. I've shared this data for next file here in the chat box. Okay. Copy this. Open a new sheet. Name it as lookup. Okay. So everybody, first of all, just pause everyone, pause. We are going to make this kind of small table. Paste. Okay. I want the drop down here. Getting it? So whenever I am selecting, the number of pages should be visible here. So how will you create the drop down? Going to the data, the validation, source. Okay. Say okay. Whenever I am selecting something, so here the number should be coming. So what I am doing, using the lookup formula. So lookup value, this is the lookup value. Lookup vector, this is my range. In this I have to look up. Then result vector, this is my result vector. Yes, that's it. This is my lookup value. This I want to find in the name, that is known as lookup vector. Result vector means this value. Paid is I want in the output, right? Do it, everybody. So one point I have not mentioned. I want you to do the error and remember it for a long time. If I directly mention means you will forget it. Yes, is it done? Yes, is it done? Do it fast. Yes, Arpita. Huh? Parna, is it done? Not getting correct values. Search for Prakash Raj 19. Are you getting 19? Not getting. So, everybody do it. You have to witness that. Not getting viral. How many of you are not getting? Look at my data. A B C G H N P R S. Sorted it is. For you, the data is not sorted. Sort the data, then you'll get. Hope you all know how to sort. After sorting, you'll get the correct answer. So the lookup will work properly on the sorted data. Then, can we go for next, everyone? We'll be learning now lookup, VLOOKUP. This data I'm sharing on Skype. Just take it fast. Make it look similar. Take this orange border, make that formatting. Invest 5 minutes and make this kind of structure. And I want this table here itself on the first row, this one. Okay, this all values that we remove. Let's make it fast. Giving you 2 minutes. Yeah, only this much. This data you have to copy paste, give the header formatting properly, and this much. Can we start? We look up this first cell, account number. Here I am going to apply data validation. Account number, all the account number I want. Okay. Say okay. In this drop down, you should be getting the number. Done. Yes. Now equal to v lookup tab. Lookup value, what you want to search. Okay. Before that, as we have seen that lookup table is required. Now you can select this much part also. Now let us suppose few more values you are going to add. Yes, generally what we do, this much data is there, this much select. Yes, but you can select these columns, so this whole column will get selected. Now if you add new values, that also are in the range itself, you don't have to change. Now in the name box you can see this name list 1. I have given this earlier in the previous batch. So then to this range I have given a name. Okay, you also give a name. Okay, name it something in the name box. What will name? Either you can put same or different, your choice. Put A B C D X Y Z, whatever name. Just this range I'm giving a name. So while writing the formula, you don't have to select the range. You can just type the name, list 1. Understood, everybody? Otherwise, what will happen? Where it went? You have to select this much range in the formula. Yes or no? But as you have given the name to this much part, you can use the name also. Is that clear? Now, coming back. Have you all given the name in the name box? Double tap equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this amount type. Okay, this should be going on the next step. Amount should become account type. Yes or no? But it should not go on the other column. So I'll just fix what? Column. Now, table array. Table array. Just now I've given the name. List 1 is the name, right? Tab, comma. Now, column index. This is which column? 1, 2. Second column, right? Giving 2 here. Column number, column index. Column 1, column 2. For account type, what will come? Column 3. For branch, column 4. For customer, column 5. So column 2 I have given. Okay. Now look up approximate match or exact match. So I'll check exact match. Tab, round bracket, close, enter. Let's see what I've done. Amount. Have I missed something? One. Sorry. Lookup value is not amount. This is a column name. This we have created this drop down, right? This number I have to find in the account number, right? So wherever this number is matching, so by mistakenly I selected this. This I'll be selecting. Okay, and this should be fixed. Enter. This is the lookup value, right? Wherever this number is matching, see, this is my account number. So what is the amount in that account number? 7. Is that clear? Now, if I drop down, will it be correct? No. Because here the column number what I want? 3. Here, here, 5. Do this, everybody. Giving you 2 minutes. See, guys, uh, whenever you have some doubt or something, range lookup, exact match. For exact match, what is the value there? Type false. So don't personally message me on WhatsApp. Okay. And if you're messaging, wait until I reply. Continuously don't message. Getting it? 10, 15, 16 messages will annoy any person, not only me. After one single message, you have to wait at least until I reply. Are you all done? Now every time editing the formula, is it efficient for us? Say yes or no. No. Double clicking. Now here limited columns are there, right? Columns are limited, that's why we are editing it. So now why I have started it from row 1? See, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Yes, this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Yes, so if I use this function equal to row round bracket enter, so if I just drag it down, numbers are changing, right? So one thing you can use it here, instead of 2, what you'll write? Row round bracket close enter. Getting it? Now your formula is changed. So now you are not manually going and changing this row. Have you understood? Yes. So here we were typing it manually, right? We were counting. This is column number what? 2. So I was going here and typing 2. Now coincidentally, as I have created this table at the top, here my row number is also 2, right? So I can just take, instead of entering column there, my row number is also 2. So in this case I can use this row function. But if I create this here, now what to do? You can try, then I will tell answer. This row, have you understood? Jyoti, understood? Yes. Try. Now when I'm making it in between, now the row number, if I just type here row, look at the screen everybody. If I type equal to row round brackets enter, here row numbers are coming what? 11. Getting it? But what I want here? 2. Yes. So if I just do 12 minus 10, row minus 10, current row is what? 12. So if I just do row minus 10, what will be there? 2. And just if I drag it equal to row minus 2, no, row minus 10, so 2 will come. Yes or no? Getting everybody? So you can adjust like that. Understood? Row will give you row number. Then you can adjust. You want 2, right? So just minus that much, so that you'll get 2, and you can drag it. So just drag, put the formula, put this row minus 10 in the formula. Put it according to yours, not my cell. First of all, what we'll do? Create this data validation. Then here equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Make it fix, comma, table array is what? List 1, comma, column index is row round brackets minus 10. In this case here, according to your, what is your row number? 10. So what you will do? Row minus 8. Yes, row minus 8. So you will get 2. So according to your, you have to do exact match I want. Round bracket close, enter. You're getting the values. Now see 56008. 56008. What is the value? 8121.3. It is taking detail. Here we are seeing only the integer part. Here it is giving me total. See now, 8121.3. 8121.3. Everybody understood or not? Once again, repeat from where? From here or here? Here. This you got? Understood? Why we at the column value we were counting the column, right? This is second column. I want amount. In the table it is column number is what? 2. So that's why we were typing 2 here. So no, column number here it is 3. That's why typing 3 here. But what we did, we have taken this function row. In this case, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row number and this column numbers are matching. Yes or no? But here is the row number and column number matching? No. So what I have done? Row minus 10. Yes? For you, what is the row number for this table? Row number is what? 11. So 11 minus 9 if you do, you will get 2, right? Got it point? Do it. Done. Now, how many of you done? Not done? Not understanding? You got it? Please give 2 minutes. This side, anybody? Should I repeat? Once again. This much you understood till drop down? Yes. Here what I am doing equal to VLOOKUP tab. Lookup value. This is my value. This number. I want to search in this column. This column. So what is this number? 56008. 56008. In front of this, what is the number? 81213. This I want here because this is a small table right now, but there can be a bigger table also. So I will just type the number. I want to get all these values. Getting it? And in this case, this table and this are in the same sheet. We can make it on other sheet also. Okay. So without seeing the data, we can just fetch out the values. That is lookup value. Okay. Now lookup value, I want this to be searched in this column and I want corresponding values to be fetched. See 8121.3 savings west side new, branch is west side, customer is new. This much all values I want to fill it in this box by the formula. So first what I give lookup value, this value I want to search, comma, array table. We have created a table, or you can just give the range also. Now as soon as I'm selecting this range, it is understanding this is your range. If I just add some more, let us suppose, now see A to F got selected. all the columns. But if I'm selecting A to E, so this range I have given some name, so that name is coming here directly. Understood? Have you given the name? Yes. Now comma, column index. What is the column here? 2. Either I can type 2, yes, directly 2 I can type, or what I can do, row. Okay, this row will give me row number. Right now row number is what? 12. Yes or no? So 12 minus how much I'll get? 2. 10. In next row, row number will be 13. Yes, 13 minus 10, 3. The next row I want 3 only, right? Next to that 14 will be there. 14 minus 10, 4. Yes or no? So that's why this is acting like a dynamic one. Now I want to find the exact value to be matched in this column, lookup value column. I want to find the exact match which is equal to this number which is here, 56000008 should be exactly matching. So who is exactly matching? 56008, this. So I want that exact match. Round bracket close, enter. Then I can just make it for all. Now what I missed to make, I think, this fixed. This I should fix. Yes or no? If I'm not fixing, see here what is happening. See that range is getting one cell down. See, when I click here, my selected box is this. Do I want this one here? No, my lookup value is this. But as I'm not fixed, it is moving down, right? So I have to fix it. So I'll type, click here. I will fix this value. Let's check. Is it fixed or not? Now, when I double click, all the values are coming. This is not in the range. Okay. Got it, everybody? Okay. How many of you are done now? What about you? Not understanding? Why? Why? See, this is suppose your account number. Yes, I want to know the amount. So this is my data. Here are all the account numbers. Here are all the amounts. So I am searching this 56005 here. Where it is 56005? Here in front of this, what I have? 750. So this is what my lookup formula is doing. It is finding that value for you. Understood? Why? And in this lookup formula, everything is given here. Lookup value means this is what you want to search. Okay. This array table means in what table you want to search. Yes. Column number means which column you want to search. That is amount column, right? So column number 2 you have to give. Then you want exact match. So that's why you are giving. Now earlier for exact match you were giving 0. Where index match? For exact match what we are giving? 0. So here we are typing false. That's it. Have you understood? Then here in the formula, our column is 2. Yes, in the formula row is given directly. Row minus any number is not given. Directly row is given. So in the formula row directly 58. Understood? Double click on that reference, you'll see the formula. What you are typing, row minus how much? Huh? Why 1? Row number, current row number is how much? 58. Output, huh? 57. Our column number is what? 2. So 57 minus how much? I will get 2. 55. Row minus 55 you have to. Understood? That's what I am telling here. Here my row number is 12. Yes? But I want output 2 because I am creating this box anywhere in my sheet. Okay? See, more harder things are about to come, guys. SQL, Python. Okay, don't get confused in Excel. It's basic thing. The remaining things we'll do tomorrow. Those who are done, they can pack up for today. Those who are unable to do, see the recording once again at home.